It is a bright sunny day. Ben is still on his bed. Ben's mom, Mia, came to the door and knocked and said, "Ben, wake up. It's already 7 o'clock. Today is the first day of your new school." Ben heard his mom and jumped from his bed and shouted, "Yes, it's a new day for new school. Yes, Mom, I'll get ready in few minutes." Meanwhile, Mia made breakfast for Ben and set it on the table. Ben came down from the stairs. Then Ben asked Mia, "Mom, what's for the breakfast?" Mia answered, "Scrambled eggs, some veggies, bread, and your favorite chocolate milk." Then Ben said, "Wow, I'm gonna finish everything today." Meanwhile, as it is his favorite breakfast, his mouth started watering. He started having his breakfast. Suddenly he got a doubt and asked Mia, "Mom, why my mouth started watering as soon as I saw and smelled the food?" Then Mia smiled and said, "Humans have a systematic procedure for processing food called digestion." Yes, your mouth watered as you saw your favorite food as a reflex action of body. This is because our mouth area has specialized glands called salivary glands. These glands releases saliva. The water you are getting in your mouth is nothing but saliva. It helps in digestion. Then Ben again asked, "Then where does the food goes, Mom? Does it disappear in the body?" Then Mia answered, "No, Ben, food doesn't disappear. Food gets digested." Then again Ben asked Mia, "How, Mom? How does food gets digested?" Then Mia answered, "Human body and animals have an organ system called digestive system, where the food gets digested. The food is taken through the mouth. This food is traveled through the digestive system. There are majorly 5 parts involved in digestion: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The mouth, stomach, and small intestine releases some enzymes for digestion, where esophagus is a tube-like structure which helps in transporting food from mouth to the stomach. The large intestine collects the waste material or the undigested food material and eliminate out of the body through anus. This is how the food is digested in our body. I think you get it now, Ben." Then Ben said, "Yes, Mom, it is good to know how the food gets digested."